guys, it's Sophia with Her Certified, and today my grandma is missing out on this because of the heat. But today we're reviewing the 2021 Lexus LS 500. So my grandma told me her favorite things, and she told me to tell the camera. So here we are. Her favorite things are the power rear sunshade, the first aid kit, and that has 10 airbags. And I kind of expected that, so yeah. But my favorite is that it's fast F-Sport. It's a 3.5 liter twin turbo V8 with 416 horsepower, which I think is a lot. Like, I literally wrote it up here and it was so fast. So let's get on to the review. Peace. Right now we're starting with the trunk, so let's check it out. Pretty cool, right? Oh, well, there's the first aid kit my grandma was talking about. But other than that, the trunk is really big and you can store groceries in it and even chairs if you're going to watch a soccer or football game. So that's the trunk for y'all. Let's check out the back seats, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pretty spacious back part of the car. You can literally just crawl in and, well, sit here. It's super relaxing. You have a little pocket to put all your stuff in, as always. And then, in here, we have this really cool thing. Don't know what that is. You can open this, cup holders, pretty neat. You open this, and inside is a mug. But there's phone chargers in here, which is what I was going to show you. Yeah, so other than that, this thing's pretty spacious. Let's give you a tour of the passenger and driver's seat area. So over here we have a humongous screen that shows your map, and you can play music on it. And over here on this little pad thing, it's like a cute little mouse, which I think is the coolest part of this car. And then we can also not only open the cover for the moonroof, but we can also open, well, this bad boy. So yeah, that's pretty much it about this place. You also have two cup holders up here, and you can open this for extra storage. These. Here we have the full length of the Lexus LS 500 F-Sport. So up here we have the grill with the Lexus logo on it, and a camera so when you're going forward you can see where you're going. We have these huge tires and wheels, and with the Lexus logo on that as well. This is Sophia with Her Certified with test drive number 606. See you next time.